tell me what you have here. You've been sending me pictures of this for a year, and I'm really excited to be able to see it in person. It's a really cool design.
So I wanted something more compact. I saw somebody at the range that had a bullpup. Theirs was a little AR-15 223, and I'm like, I want to do something a little bigger than that. Started down the 8.6 Blackout. So I found this chassis online from MK Machining, and they had a pre-order, so it looked pretty cool. It was their second edition. I went ahead and ordered it on a Remington 700 chassis, or Remington 700 Action, and it showed up. So the Action I had wanted to put in here, American Rifle Company, didn't line up with all the access ports they had, and I didn't want to grind down my chassis so much. So I went and bought a 6.5 Creedmoor Remington 700 off the shelf, super cheap.
Was it a new one or a used one?
It was brand new.
Oh man, right, and then
I have
immediately
to say, getting the barrels off those Actions is quite the chore.
Yeah.
I mean, I had my 18-inch wrench with a 1.5 or 2-inch or 2-foot bar on it, and I was leaning into it, so I've got 150 foot-pounds. Anyways, cracked, took it off. So yeah, that's the Bear Action, and then I got a Faxon barrel for 8.6 Blackout, 1 and 3 twist, and I went ahead and put it together. It comes with the sides all disassembled, so you can see the interior. It's got a custom linkage that they built to reach back, and it's a Timney trigger system. Timney work.
The trigger is not bad at all for a bullpup.
Considering it's got a linkage that goes down the chassis and up, it's a really nice trigger. Yep. Yeah, and then they've got this, well, let me hit you with that. This little cheek bar that you can adjust, as well as your limb saver adjustable butt plate. It makes for a really super compact chassis. With a 16-inch barrel, it's 23.5 inches, so it's still
really compact.
It's almost the shortest you can get without going SBR.
So it's still really compact even with a suppressor even?
Yeah. Yep.
So what suppressor are you running?
Silencer Co. Banshee 46B2.
Okay, yes.
I think is what it's called. So it's their big bore caliber one. And then an Evolution bipod. So the chassis got the Arca rail built in, and it's also got the scope mount built in. It just shoots like a champ.
Man.
It's been fun. It uses ACIS pattern magazines.
Yeah, they click in and feel great. There's no wiggle. Everything is really nice.
There you go.
All right. Well, I'm glad you brought it. I'm glad I got to shoot it. And yes, I did catch a brass in the air out of it yesterday. So
we just didn't get a recording.
We definitely did that. All right. Thanks for showing it to us.
Hey, you're welcome.